Today is February 29th. We're here at Hildebrand Machinery Company doing a video of our Accurpress press brake. Go ahead and start up and run through some operations. That's just a real basic program we did with back gauge movements. Sorry for the delay to start there. Just had to get the program set up right. But as you can see, the machine's running fine, functional, clear screen. Obviously not the original monitor. It went bad at one time and they replaced it with that monitor, which is mounted fine. Machine does have manuals. This is a 6-foot by 60-ton machine. 6-foot bed, 60-ton capacity. Overall weight is 7,000 pounds. And the machine is currently wired for 3-phase 440 volts. So that was the basic operation and overview of the machine. You can see it on our website at hildebrandmachinery.com. You can also reach out to us by phone at 717-846-2600, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.